Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hope you all are doing well. For today, our topic is dying declaration. Dying declaration is nowhere defined, but in layman language, when a person makes a statement regarding cause and circumstances of his death, the statement is called dying declaration. Now we will talk about what is the difference between Indian law and English law with regards to dying declaration. The first basis of difference is apprehension of death. In Indian law, it is not necessary that apprehension of death is not required before giving any statement of dying declaration, but in English law it is required. Second one is relevancy of dying declaration. In Indian law, dying declaration is relevant in every proceeding, whether it is criminal or civil, but in English law it is only relevant in criminal proceeding. Third basis of difference is offense. Dying declaration is relevant in Indian law in every case where the death of the person comes into the question, but in English law, dying declaration is relevant in the offense of murder and culpable homicide only. So difference is presumption. When we talk about the presumption, there is no presumption in Indian law that the person dying always speaks truth, but the presumption is found in English law. The fifth one is whether death is required. Yes, in Indian law, if person doesn't die, then not considered as dying declaration. But English law, it is not required that person must die. Now we will talk about the case laws of dying declaration. Relevant and important case laws of dying declaration in Indian law. First one is Makhan Singh versus State of Haryana. According to this citation, the dying declaration can be sole basis for recording conviction if it is found reliable and trustworthy. According to this citation, no corroboration is required. The second important citation is Kushal Rao versus State of Bombay. According to Kushal Rao versus State of Bombay, dying declaration must be required to be corroborated because if the person dies, there will be no cross-examination. The third one is Radheshyam versus State of UP. There can be more than one dying declaration. The last one, Queen Emperor versus Abdullah. According to Queen Emperor versus Abdullah, dying declaration can be by signs only. Also, thank you so much.